Introduction to fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. The top number is called a numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. Now, let's look at an example. So we have a welder who needs to make 12 brackets for a job. 5 have been made, represent the number of brackets completed of the total as a fraction. So this means that for this fraction, it's part over the whole. So we have 5 and we have 12. So if 5 have been made, that's out of the 12, we would put 5 as the part or the numerator, and then on the bottom is the 12. So this would be our solution. If we were to represent this as a fraction, let's look at another example. Example 2, represent the shaded portion below as a fraction. So we have a rectangle, and in that rectangle, it is divided into 4 different rectangles. So we have 4 in this greater total of 1. So we would put the bottom then as 4 because there's 4 different ones, and we're representing the shaded portion. So there's 1, 2, 3. 3 out of the 4 are shaded. So we would represent this as a fraction as 3 over 4. And this would be our solution. Now let's do another example. Example 3. 2 out of the 5 welding machines need to be blown out. Represent this as a fraction. So 2 out of the 5. So if we were to represent this as a fraction, we look at the numbers, the part over the whole, and we have 2 over 5.